Hello zebras, I'm glad you're there. Let's start with a song. Who knows the song to this action? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Now, Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. One more time, all together. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. Now, Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Lots of spiders living in gardens. I hope you found some in your walks. So today we are going to go over the sounds we have learned so far. So, the first sound we learned looked like this. Who can tell me what sound that is? S for snake, S for strawberry, S for swimming pool, S for sunshine. That is the sound S. The next sound we learned this week was this one. Who remembers what sound this is? A. A. A for ants on my arm. A for ants. A for apple. A for aeroplane. Okay, lots of words that begin with the sound A. A for Alexandra. Those are our two sounds. S and A. Now, let's practice writing S. I get my chalk. Look for a nice piece of chalk. And we're going to write the sound S. Who remembers how to do this? Do I start from down here? No. The sound S starts from up here. So we go up, down, round a big stomach, and stop right there. The sound S, and it looks like a snake, doesn't it? So everyone, fingers here. Let's move together. We go up, down, round a big stomach, and stop right there. That is the sound S. We also learned how to write the sound A. A for ants on my arm. How do we start writing the sound A? Same place, up there. Okay? So we're going to go round, straight up, straight down, and a little flick. Can you see that? Is that clear? There, that's better. Let's do it again. You start over there, you go round, you stop right there. Then you go up, straight down, and a little flick. That is the sound A for ants on my arm. Want to see your fingers pointing right there. Let's move together and move the whole arm, okay? Go round, stop, up, down, and a little flick. I hope you're all practicing writing your sounds because it's so important. So what we're going to do today is we're going to paint the sound A. So I'm going to stick mine right here so that you can see it. Can you see it? Goes round, up, down, and a little flick. You have this in your learning packs. I want you to put it somewhere. Get your paint and paintbrush. I'm using a lovely sky blue paint today. Blue, blue like the sky, blue like the ocean, blue like blueberries. What else do we have that's blue? I want you to think about it. So you get your paint, remove a bit of extra paint. For this one we may need a little bit more. And we start. And we start in the right spot, which is up here. So we're going to go round, up, down, and little flick. See, that's so much fun. I'm going to go over it again because I didn't get paint everywhere. So I put a lot of paint this time. We start over here. You go round, up, down, and flick. You must always move in that direction, okay? Round, up, down, and flick. So I want everyone to practice painting their sound A. And if you can also on another piece of paper practice painting the sound S. Okay? You must do as much as you can. Okay, apart from the two sounds, we also learned a number. Number 1. And it looks like this. Without that, just that. That's how you write a number 1. You start at the top and you move straight down. That's it. It's like a stick that's standing up. That's the number 1. If you look at my card, I've got a shape down here. Who knows what shape that is? It's got 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. That makes it a triangle. And I've only got 1 triangle on my card because this is the number 1 card. So zebras. We have gone over our 2 sounds, S and A, and the number 1. I want you to keep that in mind. Let's finish up with a number song. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Enjoy the rest of your day, zebras. Try and get all your work done. Bye.